All right, we're continuing with dilations. Remember, a dilation means that the shape either gets smaller or bigger. The size is going to change, but not the shape. Remember when before the semester exam, to find a scale factor, we were going to do new over original. Okay, we're going to find the scale factor. We have new over original, so if I had a shape, this was 10, this was 5, I'm going to say that this is my prime. Remember, this little apostrophe says it's prime and is the new shape. Prime, and it is the new shape. Okay, so I'm going to put new over original, so that's 10 over 5, so it went to 2. Okay. Okay, so it got 2 times bigger. Now we're going to be given the scale factor. Okay, we're going to multiply. So if I have a scale factor of 2, so my algebraic representation is going to be, let's just say the coordinates are 4 and 5. So I'm going to have 4 and 5. And then this is what I'm going to multiply, the 2. So 2 times 4 and 2 times 5. And my new coordinates are going to be 2 times 4, which is we are multiplying. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 5 is 10. These are the new coordinates. Okay? All right, now let's move to the graph. Okay, also, before I move to the graph, there's one thing. If there is a percent, okay, we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, for instance, 30%, 1, 2.30. Okay, 175%. 1, 2, 1.75, and that's what you'll use the decimals to multiply. Okay. All right. Let's move to the graph. If I have a graph, okay, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this one example. This coordinate for A is 0, sorry, it is 2, 0. Okay, so for A is 2, 0. Now A prime, I'm going to multiply 40%, so 2, 0, okay, 0.4 times 2, and then 0.4 times 0. So 0.40, so 0.40 times 2 is 0.8, And 0.4 times 0 is 0. Okay? So 0.8 is right here, and we're going to go right there. Okay. Then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0. And I would multiply 0.4 times 7 and 0.4 times 0. So 0.4 times 7 is 2.8. And then 0. So let's go 2.8. So this is 1, 2, 2.8, 0. Okay, and then this one, B, that one's C. This is prime, C prime. This is A prime, because remember, prime means it's the new numbers, and then I'm going to do B. So B is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 and 6. So 0.4 times 2 and 0.4 times 6. So 0.4 times 2 is 0.8. And 0.4 times 6 is 2.4. Okay? So 0.8 is right there. And then we're going to go up 2.4. So 1, 2, and then right here. And then I'm going to connect it. All right. And as you can see, the triangle got smaller. It reduced. Okay. The triangle got smaller and it reduced by 40%. So this is B prime. Okay, now you're going to practice it on today's assignment.